Always remember, first sharp your knife. We need to cut off the edges. And we need to take off the skin. First, we are going to cut for onion rings. We are going to make some onion rings now. Cut it into half. Then slice the onion rings, and then you can easily push the inside rings out, and then there we go. You have the best onion rings. Second cut, we are going to make slices of onion. So you can start from the bottom right here. Slowly cut it through like this. Be careful with your finger. You don't want to slice your finger as well. You just want very nice onion slices. Like this. Third cut, we are going to make the mince of onion. You can use this for your soup or salad. The fourth one, we can cut into big cubes. For that, you can unfold the onion layers, and then you can cut into half. This is very good to use on onion salad. The fifth cut, you can make big cubes for your stock. For that, you just need to make one onion into half, and then cut it from the middle, then cut it into big chunks like this. So this is very good to use on the stocks. It holds lots of flavor, so it gives different flavors. Seventh cut is for caramelized onions. So for that, we need to slice it, but we need to cut thicker slices for that. So you just need to cut it a little bit bigger slices. Just be careful with your finger, you don't want to slice your finger with the onion. Okay, so this is perfect for caramelized onion. because it is going to cook for a very long time, so that's why you need thicker slices. There we go. So we have leftover onions. It is stopped as is, these leftover things, the middle parts. We don't have to throw this in the bin. We can use it for curry, vegetable curry, chicken curry, any type of curry. So for that, you just need to cut it in as you want. So just like cut it like this. Because when you cook it with curry, these onions will dissolve into the curry. Therefore, it really doesn't matter how you cut it. It will just give some very good flavor, but the onion will disappear into the curry.